In Tom's Pan, the German bakery in Nuevo Arenal, bread is baked according to the old German craftsmanship with sourdough. First, 70% rye flour from the United States, 30% wheat flour from Costa Rica, natural sourdough and salt and spices are given a large bowl.
Sweet like the birds, so I got more than just words.
Everything is mixed together with the addition of water. Already more than 3,000 years ago in ancient Egypt, bread was made with sourdough. The living lactic acid bacteria and yeasts contained in the sourdough multiplied during fermentation. They metabolize the starch of flour, forming acids and carbon dioxide. As a result, the dough rises, becomes more acidic, more durable, and the later bread is loosened. A strong aroma is formed, nutrients, vitamins, and amino acids are created. At the same time, the microorganisms break down components that are difficult to digest. When all the ingredients have been mixed well together to form a dough, it is divided for the different types of bread.
I got joy in my soul. I got joy in my soul. The fact that you're happy.
While one part remains natural, the second is mixed with pumpkin seeds and the third with sunflower seeds.
I got love in my heart.
After so much excitement, the dough is allowed to rest for 15 to 20 minutes before the portions are weighed and the bread are shaped.
The lights are so much brighter.
Depending on the variety, they get a coating of pumpkin and sunflower seeds and are placed in their molds. Then they go for 20 to 30 minutes into the proving room. During the ripening of the dough, enzymes break down the plant on phytic acid of the grain and allows us to have better bioavailability of iron, calcium, magnesium and zinc. The long leavening time contributes greatly to the fact that sourdough breads are much easier for many people to digest than those made with baker's yeast or other leavening agents. After a good hour of baking, our breads are ready. Traditionally made with a lot of time and love. Completely without enzymes, preservatives or leavening agents.
I've had my doubts, but they're all liars.
This is our recipe for healthy, wholesome and tasty bread. Let yourself taste it. Enjoy your bread from the German bakery in Nuevo Arenal. Tom's Pan.